How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our Striker 2 dash light. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your Striker 2 going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional SIG plug. And then you'll also see your sync cable here where you can sync multiple units as well. So let's get this unit hooked up to power and show you some of the functions. So today I am going to be using my optional SIG plug. So I'll go ahead and get my cigarette lighter plug hooked up here, and then I'll plug it into power. And then you'll see that I have my on-off switch here, which will activate my unit. And then I have my flash pattern changer here, so I can cycle through my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like. And then this unit has memory recall, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a steady burn shortcut here as well. So if you hold your flash pattern button down for 3 seconds, you'll see your unit will go to steady burn. And then you can easily access that off of your flash pattern switch. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me, but we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half and half color options. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought a solid amber unit, and then here I brought a green clear unit. But again, we offer these in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half and half color setups. So I went ahead and attached my optional windshield visor here, and then you'll see that we have our surface mount end caps as an option, and we do have the ability to weatherproof this unit if you need to exterior mount. And then we have our 90-degree suction cup, and this will easily attach to the backtrack of your unit like so. And then we have our 360-degree suction cup, and this will attach to the side of your unit with the replacement end caps. And this bracket does rotate 360 degrees if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then this bracket also doubles as an L bracket as well. And then we have our static headliner bracket, and again you can easily attach this to the backtrack of your unit. And then finally we have our adjustable headliner bracket, and the difference with this bracket is you can adjust your unit forwards or backwards if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then again, this will attach to the backtrack of your unit like so. So you'll see that we have plenty of interior and exterior mounting options for your unit. So that covers all of the features of our Striker 2 dash light. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.